Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set Honda Jazz clock, updated. Start by turning the ignition to accessory, then locate the H and M buttons near the radio. Press and hold H to advance hours and M to advance minutes until the display matches the correct time. If your car uses a 12-hour display, check AM or PM before you finish and press the clock button to save your settings. Many Jazz models let you adjust time from the steering wheel or dash menu, which is quick when parked safely. Use the menu or info button to access the clock setting, then use the arrow or seek buttons to change hours and minutes. Confirm changes with the Enter or OK button, and always double-check AM and PM. This method is handy when you want to avoid reaching for the radio controls while driving. If the clock keeps resetting, start by checking the car battery and any related fuses that could affect memory. Verify that buttons and the display are responding. A locked or frozen display may need dealer attention. For model-specific steps, consult your owner manual, which often has a dedicated clock section. If nothing works, a service center can diagnose electrical faults and ensure the clock module functions correctly without risking other vehicle systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.